Hey guys, how's it going? Today I want to talk to you about my MADHAVA organic coconut sugar. So I've been on a really strong diet lately, and I've been trying to find ways for, I guess, to be able to sweeten things if I feel like I want to put something in my coffee. This is exactly what I thought it would be, just perfect. The sweetness is comparable to regular sugar, which is great because you get a lot of those, I guess, various sweeteners on the market, and you have that super chemical taste. Well, what's cool about this is straight organic coconut palm sugar, which is excellent. What I usually do is, like I said, when I wake up in the morning, if I just want to drink some coffee, drinking it black sometimes just as is, it's kind of hard to do. So I just go ahead and put a little bit of this stuff in here, and it has that nice sweetness that gives it to you. So what's great about it is for the last 45 years, more than 45 years, MADHAVA has been trying to find ways to make simple goodness for us and clean, as far as like clean living. That's what I'm all about right now. So what's really nice about this is it's actually sourced through 2 co-ops in central Java. So you're looking at, as far as like, they're actually out there trying to help the farmers that are actually producing their product, as opposed to having like on a huge industrial scale, which is pretty nice too. So this is actually a 1-for-1 replacement for refined sugar. So check this out. So as far as actual ingredients on here, you just have organic coconut palm sugar, which is perfect. Make sure that you dry it in a cold stored place, just like you would your other products. And telling you, this stuff is delicious. You'll love it. You can use it for, let's say for example, you're trying to be more, I guess you want to be more vegan. This is the stuff that you want to be able to use in your products as well. So like the whole reason why I ended up buying this too on top of that is because I'm actually doing pickling, and they recommend using this product for pickling fruit. So check it out.